In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll confidently place a YouTube clip right into your page using YouTube's embed code and a quick edit in Dreamweaver's code or split view. First, let's grab the YouTube embed code. Open the YouTube video you want to use. Just beneath the video, click the Share button, then choose Embed. You'll see a preview and a block of code that starts with an iframe tag. That iframe is exactly what we need to place the video on your page. If YouTube shows options, you can leave the defaults for a quick setup. When you're ready, click to copy the entire iframe code. Make sure you've got all of it, from the opening iframe tag to the closing tag, because missing even a character can break the embed. With that code on your clipboard, we're done with YouTube. Now switch over to Dreamweaver and open the HTML document where you want the video to appear. You can have multiple pages in your site. Just pick the one that matches the content of the video. In Dreamweaver, it helps to work in code view or split view for this task, because we're pasting raw HTML. Split view is especially handy if you like to see both the code and a live preview at the same time. Once you're in the right file, scroll to the section where the video should live. A common spot is inside the main content area or within a dedicated container where you want the video framed by your page's layout. Next, paste the embed code right where you want the video to be inserted. Place the cursor at the desired location in the HTML and paste the iframe code you copied from YouTube. Be sure it sits inside the body of the page and within any layout elements that control width and spacing, like a content div or a grid column. If you need the video to fit a specific width in your design, you can adjust the width and height values inside the iframe tag to match your layout. After pasting, check your split or live view to confirm the video frame appears. If it looks off-center, remember that alignment and spacing are usually handled by your page's CSS, so the iframe will follow whatever styling exists around it. That's it. You've copied the YouTube iframe, opened your page in Dreamweaver, switched to a code-friendly view, and pasted the embed exactly where you want it.